Hello, so in 4 weeks this hair is officially not going to be black for the first time. So in the meantime, until that day arrives, every week for the next 4 weeks I need to do this hair mask two times a week in the shower, because I've got my hair permed, which means my hair is a bit damaged, so I need to get that done to get a luxurious new transformation. So yeah, see you in 4 weeks. Good. Oh, it's raining. Hold up, let me walk to my car first. Okay, am I ready? Okay, let me focus the camera. Good afternoon, everyone. So today is a very exciting day, even though the weather is horrible as usual in Auckland. So today I am actually going to be getting rid of the virgin hair. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair today. It's going to be very exciting, and I just want to take you on this wonderful journey, because as you would have seen in the other footage before, you would have seen that I've been preparing my hair for like a month now. So basically what I've been doing is I've been doing a lot of treatments on my hair, because my hair is a little bit damaged from doing a perm previously. Now that my hair is probably up to speed and up and ready, I can probably dye my hair now. So I'm on my way to the studio now. See you later. Bye.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. 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 Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands.
And the reveal.
Hijack the flying
So I'm officially brown. Oh my god, it looks so, like, I look so different, like, for me. I'm just like, I can't believe that I'm actually brown now. It's like, it looks so interesting in the light as well. It's so, like, it's almost reddish, but it's actually not. It's just really brown. And the stylist, Sky, who is awesome, and you guys should check him out sometime when you're on Dominion Road. He's quite busy, but I reckon that if you make an appointment, he'll do an amazing job on your hair. So yeah, I think you should definitely go check him out, because he's awesome, and he made it such an enjoyable experience. His music playlist in the studio is actually like bomb. Before I go, I actually got recommended this. It's a color corrector for brunettes. So apparently I am supposed to put this on after I shampoo. Not now, but like in a couple of weeks when my color starts fading a little bit. Then I'll start using this to enhance the color again. So yeah, hopefully it's going to look good. So yeah, I'm heading out to run some errands now. But let's check back in a few hours to see how my hair looks, and also tomorrow. Bye! The lighting is so cool. Oh, it's because my battery's low. Oh my god.
Tonight there'll be a party on the corner at the end of life.
Oh my god, that painting is amazing. That one. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so it's about a few days after I filmed me dyeing my hair for the first time, and it was such a cool experience. It's now a few days later, so today is the first day that I've actually washed my hair. So as you can see, it looks like it actually looks quite a bit darker than before, but I've been told that when it's in the light, it definitely looks a lot lighter. And I've also used like a few hair masks just to like recondition my hair, but it still looks a little bit dry. Hopefully after a few more hair mask treatments it will go back to normal. And today I blow dried my hair out, but actually I think in a few days I'm going to try just leaving it dry naturally, leaving it to dry naturally, because that is actually what I usually do. But yeah, anyways, it looks kind of nice. Like what I've been told by other people is that they don't really notice the difference too much, just because it seems like it was always meant to be like this. So next time when I dye my hair, I think I'm actually going to go a bit lighter or even crazier with my hair color choice. But other than that, thank you so much for joining me on my experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.